On top of that, I found that it's a way to basically do faceless content and avoid burnout, because it's a strategy that doesn't use daily content creation, which that got me very interested in. Hey friends, let's talk about something completely different today. Blogging. Now I know a lot of you, and myself as well, thought blogging was dead. I absolutely don't know. I know one person who has a blog, and yes, I do read her blog, I must admit, but that's all. I mean, I really thought blogging was taken over by vlogging, and then that all just went away. I thought this was something people did back in 2005 with travel diaries and recipe blogs. But here's the truth. After I've done some research, blogging is very much still a way people are making income in 2025. And it's a reliable way. And on top of that, I found that it's a way to basically do faceless content and avoid burnout, because it's a strategy that doesn't use daily content creation, which that got me very interested in. So I want to break it down with you, like some numbers here, so that you can see why this piqued my interest. So first, there's the financial gains, obviously. People are pulling in $5,000, $10,000, up to $100,000 and more per month. It's not just hype. This is actually real stuff that's happening. I actually went and looked up some blogs and checked out their revenue, asked ChatGPT to tell me what they're actually making. So I found bloggers like Pinch of Yum. They have $95,000 months. And then there's travel bloggers like Nomadic Matt. He makes over $750,000 a year from his blog. There's even financial bloggers, and they are also making six figures with affiliate links and ads. And so this is the best part about blogging, is you don't need to be a celebrity blogger to make this system work. With a clear system, even a blog with just a few thousand views a month can make you hundreds to thousands of dollars income every month. And that's a steady, reliable income that grows. And it grows over time. So how does the money actually come in from blogs? So there's the obvious one, that you can put ads on your blogs. I learned that Google AdSense, the same Google AdSense that pays for YouTube ads, also pays for ads on websites. I didn't know that. Then there's the obvious one, the one that I got interested in and that I am doing already, is the affiliate links. You put your affiliate links in your blogs. And honestly, who hasn't looked up a recipe in this day and age and seen the highlighted blue areas in the recipe that you could just straight away click on and buy the item that you need for your recipe? Those are affiliate links. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. So that's an example with recipes, but this can work for anything. I mean, sewing, literally anything. And then another way to earn from blogs is sponsored content. So you actually can get brands to sponsor you. And then, of course, there's digital products or courses that you can create yourself and sell via your blog. That one's optional, but it's a great stream of income. Okay, so the blog is where the money is made, but how do you get people to your blog? How do you get people to see your blog without having to post on Instagram and advertise paid ads? How do you do it? This is where Pinterest comes in. Pinterest is actually amazing when you actually think about it. And Pinterest is another one of those things where I tend to think like nobody uses it anymore and things like that. But actually, in all honesty, I save recipes, I save clothes. I love looking for clothes on Pinterest and then saving it there. And I mean, there's the fact that I haven't made this connection is like when I save those pins about clothes, they're all linked to a website that actually sells those clothes. And I've looked at the statistics. They say about 80% of the traffic that goes to Pinterest is a willing buyer. Like people know that they can go and buy things on Pinterest. Pinterest is not just for recipes and wedding boards anymore. It's actually one of the most underused search engines for driving free targeted traffic to your blog. This is what ChatGPT tells me. People go on Pinterest with buying intent, like I just said. They're searching for things like best side hustles, how to meal plan, travel tips, make money from home. And when your pins link back to your blog post, guess who gets that traffic? You. So that is the strategy here. And unlike TikTok or Instagram, where your posts disappear after 24 hours, you're lucky if somebody still sees anything of what you posted from a week before. On Pinterest, a single pin can keep driving traffic for months, even years. They estimate about 13 months that a pin will keep getting traffic on Pinterest. So, can you imagine? You create content that one time and it lasts for 13 months. Now, I'm not saying you're only going to create content once. That won't work. You can't make one singular pin and think that's going to make you the money. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that one singular pin will keep working for you for 13 months. So this is why this whole blog and Pinterest strategy is going to be so powerful. A blog is your home base where you make your money. The Pinterest is your traffic machine, and that feeds your blog with targeted visitors. And together they create a system for you which is going to grow your income with every new post and every new pin. And so listen, this isn't about working 10 hours a day. This is about building digital assets that keep working for you. I like to call them digital real estate. A blog post plus Pinterest can be paying you for 6 months from now. From today till 6 months on. And that's why people call it passive income. So if you've been looking for a side hustle that doesn't require filming TikTok videos every day, that doesn't require you cold DMing strangers or even DMing anybody, starting a blog and using Pinterest to fuel it is hands down one of the smartest plays you can use in 2025. So in my school community, I have got a course set up for this. Exactly how to do it. From setting up your blog to writing your posts that actually convert, and to using Pinterest the right way to get effortless traffic. Plus, this includes things like SEO and all that kind of stuff that goes in at the back end. But I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So if you're ready to create financial freedom and another reliable online income stream, come join me in my school community and I'll show you how to make it happen. This is a low maintenance way of making money with affiliate marketing, and I love it. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button and make sure that notification bell is turned on so that you get notified of my next video.